When I start moving, legs start to work. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, Tarraxinha, and 7, 8. Now, the steps are going to be used with weight. Look, when I go, I give my weight and I put my weight down. I use my knees for Susana to understand. This will make my movement soft on the music. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when I go down, Susana goes looking for my leg, always with the back straight. Never like this, okay? Here, now we have good connection, both legs. So I'm going to start moving. I move Tarraxinha. And then I just go slow motion. Again, if you look to this leg, it's pushing Susana's leg. And then I just go 8 figure. To finish, I did the simple version that was just walking, opening, closing, and Susana leading, okay? I can give you the version that we usually use when we are dancing together. That is, here we just open, connect,